Hello, welcome to Spoon Barbecue. Let's make a black and white sandwich. When I was young, a black and white was a slice of pork tenderloin actually, and a slice of beef tenderloin, and you had the sauce and French fries and stuff. So anyway, I've got some pork chops, and then I've got a couple of slices of sirloin. I think it's top sirloin actually. It was in the freezer. It was the one I bought a while back. Anyway, so I'm seasoning this with Salt Lake barbecue rub and some mesquite pepper. Starting off with the pork chops, of course, and then I've got half an onion that I've cut up into slices or half slices. Once I've browned this a little bit, I'm flipping them over and starting to fry the beef. Then I'm going to be using a couple of slices of salami for this as well. It's just to add a little bit of extra flavor. Anyway, frying this and then trying the temperature because I want it to be safe. You can check whatever that is. It's about 155 at this time, and I'm going to continue cooking them for a little bit, getting to 160, 165, something like that. Flipping everything around, I've got the back burner on low, medium in the middle, and high in the front. Okay, flipping everything over. Okay, so I've got some keto buns here. Just cut them in half, and then putting some butter on them, and then of course throwing them on the griddle. I'm so happy to have the griddle up and running again after the winter. So I had a big clean out today, cutting away the fat and then just slicing it up. So it's cooked through, as you can see. Anyway, cutting everything into small pieces and is rare to medium rare. Perfect, I think. Okay, so the bread browned up nicely on the surface of the griddle. A little bit of salad on top of that, of course, a couple of pieces of the white meat and a couple of pieces of the dark meat. Then the plan would have been to have a little bit of sauce on this, but we were actually out, so no sauce today. But we got a little bit of the salami, and then of course a little bit of the onion. This is the reason it goes from keto to keto friendly, because the amount of onion is probably a little bit too much. There we go, black and white sandwich. Let's try it. It's really good. It's keto friendly, and the Salt Lake dry rub was really good on this. So thank you for watching. Bye.